Hi guys, my name is Brenda and I just recorded my E3 session with Freeme TV and I'm super excited. So please watch and I hope you have fun.
Brenda, yeah.
And I thank you for choosing me to come through onto life to be a beautiful reflection of His grace. See, I know that a gift so great is only one God could create. And I'm reminded every time I see your face that the joy of my world is in Zion. Now the joy of my world is in Zion. Let's imagine for a moment that you never made a name for yourself or mastered wealth. They had you labeled as a king. Never made it out them cage, still out them moving in them streets. Never had the baddest woman in the game up in your sheets. Would they be down to ride? No. They used to hide from you, lie to you, but y'all know it was made for each other. So I found you and hold you down. Me sing that, hold up, they don't love you like I love you. Hold down, they don't love you like I love you. Back up, they don't love you like I love you. Step down, they don't love you like I love you. Can't you see there's no other man above you? What a wicked way to treat the girl that loves you. Hold up, they don't love you like I love you. Hold down, they don't love you. See, I see they haughty, they sweet my soul. I see they haughty, they sweet my soul. I see they haughty, they sweet my, it is with my, it is with my. Here we go. I see they haughty, they sweet me for body. I see they haughty, they sweet me for body. I see they haughty, they sweet me for, it do me for, it is with me for. Oh, yeah, stand, make I sample you my something, my something. Come close, I know you want my something, my something. Oh yeah, stand, babe, baby, baby, baby. Come close.